Hi there, it's just a quick video of our ice storm. This is March the 24th, I think, Thursday, and we had freezing rain last night, and today I think it's actually just slightly above freezing right now. It's raining right now, but we've got a layer of ice on everything, and we have a flock of robins arrived this morning. Just about the worst weather. They're all over the place, and they're not enjoying it because they're hungry. Can't get through the ice crust. This is what it's like in the garden here. This is a night's rain. Every time you walk, at least it's breaking. What do you think, Meg? It's hard on your feet, isn't it? With your claws. Starting to weigh the trees down. And my battery's running out. Quite the build-up. There's as much ice there, or more ice, than there is a tree. Neat. Yes, so we have lots of robins, and I'm going to lose my getting the berries, I think, off of the ash tree, which is about the only thing they can get at, and I suspect those berries are covered like this tree is, and probably hard to get at too. I'm going to throw some bread out for them, see if that helps. There's a lot here. Those grackles and cowbirds, I guess they all arrived together this morning. So, that's about all I can get because it's starting to freeze on my camera. Bye for now, thanks for watching.